जान हथेली पे ले आए रे, हमने तुमने पुकारा और हम चले आए.
This year's summer is crazy hot, man, and I decided to go to the mountains. What's up, my beautiful people? As monsoon sets in, people pack their trekking gear and explore the hills. And now we are here to trek Taoli Peak Trek. So from Kalyan station, we hired a taxi and it took us 40 minutes to reach Malang. Note that do not go to Badlapur road. That's actually difficult to trek. If you don't want to hire a taxi, you get buses over Kalyan station. It's just 30 to 40 rupees, I believe. Hey, Ada? Ago, that one. Exactly. Standing in front of the mountains, out there in the wild. Wow. वो अलग ही नशा है यार. And our trek starts now. And we encountered first water stream. It was a tough decision for us to either cross it or not, but we never give up. We somehow managed to reach the other end, and please don't try it alone. Water. Wow. Crazy view. We moved further and came across another water stream. This time we were more confident and took small steps to cross the flow. Yeah! Woo! Taoli is not actually a fort. Okay, it consists of two most important pinnacles. One is Dadima and the other is Panchpir. So you gotta find two most beautiful, pinnacles over here. They are damn beautiful, man. You have to come and visit one time. Trekking has become most popular these days, and a number of people are opting for it. You get plenty of blogs and vlogs to guide you, but what matters is how well you are prepared for any trek. That's what matters. We came across like 2 to 3 water streams. It was a tough decision for us whether we need to cross it or not. What we have decided, we just folded our pants up and decided to cross the water flow. Kya beautiful nazara hai yaar. Clouds, rain, waterfall. It's beautiful. I'll show you who prepared us food and everything. अब अच्छा खाना दिए.
बालन सर है सामने. आज मलंगड़.
वो वाला?
हाँ, वो मलंगड़.
वो मलंगड़ है.
हाँ.
बादलों में या?
बादल में.
हाँ.
और उसके आगे भीमा शंकर.
भीमा शंकर.
वो भीमा शंकर.
अच्छा. People usually know Malang, not Taoli Peak or Kushivali village. Okay, your landmark will be Malang. So from Kushivali village, you could have like straight route towards Taoli Peak. Just follow the path. Okay, like there are few hurdles while we are trekking. Like there are a lot of water streams and everything, but we didn't give up. We just keep on hiking. So there are few points to remember while you're gonna trek this Taoli Peak. Point 1. Never ever trek alone during monsoon season. Like it's just completely wild over here. Let someone know you before you're gonna trek. That is for sure. Send your itinerary to them. Let them know where exactly you're heading. Take proper shoe with good grip. Okay, don't wear any bad quality shoes and मैं चढ़ पाऊंगा. You can't. And please do not litter. So people usually get confused which path they have to choose while trekking. This is actually easy. You can find a lot of arrow marks over here where you can directly head to Tauli Peak. Just follow the arrow marks. Those are very helpful. So no matter what the weather forecast says, if you are going on a monsoon trek, you must always be prepared for rains. You must always carry rain jackets and raincoats. That is for sure. यहाँ पे you're gonna find these kind of arrow marks as well. ऐसे वाले. Okay. Just be cautious where you are going and always watch around. So here's a sign, Panchpir. Here you're gonna get two ways. One is Panchpir, one is Dadima. You just have to follow these arrows. Don't forget to follow such kind of signs. So freaking beautiful. कितना सुंदर है.
जान हथेली पे ले आए रे, हमने तुमने पुकारा और हम चले आए.
It's freaking beautiful. Wow. Shit. It's raining. It's freaking raining. Oh, क्या नज़ारा है. What a view man, what a view. पागल हो जाओगे अगर आए तो, पागल हो जाओगे. It's mad. Mad ఉంది అబ్బా, mad ఉంది. చేంజ్ అయిపోయింది కదా. It's just one day trip actually. Morning ఎక్కేసి మళ్ళా కిందికి ఈవినింగ్ వచ్చేయచ్చు. No issues. You can stay over here as well. Camping is possible anywhere. Maharashtrians, they are beautiful man. Beautiful people వాళ్ళు. There's no objection actually. So you can stay. There's another vibe man. ఆ vibeకి crazy జోష్ వస్తుంది. If you guys are wondering whether we can stay at the top or not, yeah, we can stay at the top. Here are few huts over here which some good person have built, and trust me, you can stay over here. अगर कोई आना चाहते हैं ताउली पीक ट्रैक को, then you can come. Okay, morning आ सकते हैं यहाँ पे, सो जा सकते हैं, and राशन तो लेके आना है for sure. Girls can come, but don't come alone, okay? Just come with group and you're gonna be safe over here. टेंट की ज़रूरत नहीं है, but just to be on safe side, अगर ट्रैक कंप्लीट नहीं कर सकते then you can stop anywhere else and you can camp. But be sure you be fit man. Are living in cities and towns. Wow. Just look at the view.
So can you give any message to the youth?
Oh yes.
हमारे जैसे आप भी यूथ है सर, हमारे जैसे लोग.
हमारे पास है.
But message for youth is stay fit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Work is at one place, but enjoyment and fitness should not be neglected.
Veteran trekkers.
Gentleman is 68 years.
68 year
And
running.
they all are healthy. It's all because of they don't spend any single pie in the expensive gym.
और कल भी इन्होंने एक ट्रैक किया है और आज
Their
सेकंड ट्रैक
nature
Today is
is
second
their
trek
gym,
for it.
the nature.
घर से बाहर निकलो भाई, नेचर के साथ बस, बाकी कुछ नहीं. स्पेंड
Yeah.
कुछ
The
नहीं.
nature
जितना
will
टाइम आप
even
नेचर के
teach
साथ
you a
स्पेंड
lot
करोगे
of
बेहतर
things.
है.
Well done. All the best.
Thank you.
मेरा और एक क्वेश्चन है. मेरा एक दोस्त है बहुत दूर का, सो इज लाइक ड्रग एडिक्ट. टू बी श्योर ड्रग एडिक्ट है वो. so बहुत डिप्रेशन में रहता है. Will these kind of treks change his life?
Yes, sir.
This is the only way.
He should not carry.
He should not carry bottle with
Put him
him.
in your natural basket.
सच्ची बताओ.
Yes.
Okay, all the
Chalo,
best.
bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
It all starts with making an effort to spend quality time with these amazing people. It can have an incredible impact on how you live your life. When you're depressed, just come to this place. You will be changed. Thank you for watching. Namaste.